A place to stay.
Importance of shelter. Shelter is a place where we live. Shelter is important as it protects us from animals and harsh weather. It also gives us a sense of security, also helping us form bonds with family and friends. These spaces become a hub for creating memories, nurturing families, and learning important life skills such as sharing, respecting privacy, and resolving conflicts peacefully. Changes in shelter patterns. Houses have changed a lot over time. In the Stone Age, people used big stones for walls and smaller stones or wood for roofs. In medieval times, they got smarter and used bricks, stones, and wood, making strong walls for protection. Today, in small villages, some use mud and straw, while in big cities, houses are close together, made with cement, steel, bricks, and mortar to build the house. Types of houses according to geographical conditions. Houses look different around the world because of where they are and what the weather is like. In hot deserts, people make houses from thick mud bricks or adobe to keep the house cool inside. The houses have thick walls, small windows, and high ceilings. In cold mountains, they use wood or stone to keep warm. In forests, houses might be on stilts to avoid floods, with roofs made of leaves to stay dry. We call these roofs thatched roofs. Other types of houses. Different types of houses offer different living experiences. Cottages, found in rural areas, are small and made of wood or stone. Bungalows, with a single story and a sloping roof, suit warm climates. Townhouses in urban areas connect with shared walls, offering unique living arrangements. Materials for building houses. Houses can be built with different materials. Bricks, like hard, colorful blocks, make strong walls that last a long time. Wood, from trees, is used for doors and windows, giving a warm feeling. Concrete, a mix of cement, sand, and water, creates solid floors and walls. Metal, like steel, helps tall buildings stay strong. Glass, used in windows to let sunlight brighten homes. Steps to build a house. To make a house, we start by drawing plans to decide how it will look. The foundation is the strong base of the house. Then, we build walls using bricks, wood, or concrete. A roof comes next to protect us from rain and the sun. Finally, we add doors, windows, and paint to make the house look nice. Materials used in houses for safety. Safety is a top priority when building houses, and special materials are used for protection. Some walls and doors are made of fire-resistant materials to stop fires from spreading. Strong metals like steel make the house sturdy against winds and earthquakes. Windows use safety glass that doesn't shatter easily. Non-slip flooring helps prevent slips, and smoke detectors on ceilings warn loudly if there is a fire, keeping everyone safe in their homes. Types of safety measures in shelters. Different places face unique challenges, like earthquakes or fires, and there are clever ways to stay safe. In earthquake zones, special alarms in houses can predict earthquakes. and lightweight materials help minimize damage. In dry areas prone to fires, people clear dry leaves and bushes around their homes. During storms, the safest spots are basements or small rooms without windows, acting like a secure hideout. These safety measures help us face challenges and stay protected in our shelters. Let's revise. A shelter is a place where we live. A shelter protects us from animals and harsh weather. Houses have changed a lot over time from being made of stones to cement, steel, bricks, and mortar. Houses look different around the world because of where they are and what the weather is like. Different types of houses offer different living experiences. Houses can be built with different materials like bricks, wood, concrete, metal, and glass. To make a house, we start by drawing plans to decide how it will look. Safety is a top priority when building houses. Some walls and doors are made of fire-resistant materials to stop fires from spreading. Different places face unique challenges, like earthquakes or fires, and there are clever ways to stay safe. For example, in earthquake zones, special alarms in houses can predict earthquakes.